Keeping Vivaldi up to date ensures you have the latest features, performance improvements, and security updates. In this video, I'll show you how to manually check for updates and make sure you're running the newest version of the browser. Start by opening Vivaldi. If you're using the classic layout, click the Vivaldi menu button in the top left corner of the browser window. If you're using a different layout and don't see the menu right away, move your mouse cursor to the top of the screen to reveal it. Once the menu is open, hover your mouse over Help. A side menu will appear with additional options. From there, click Check for Updates. Vivaldi will now contact its update servers and check whether a newer version is available. If an update is found, the browser will automatically begin downloading and installing it. Depending on the size of the update and your internet connection, this may take a few moments. When the update process is complete, Vivaldi will ask you to restart the browser. Go ahead and restart it to finish installing the update. After Vivaldi opens again, let's verify that everything was updated successfully. Open the Vivaldi menu once more, hover over Help, and click Check for Updates again. This time, instead of downloading anything, Vivaldi should display a message saying that you're up to date. That confirms you're running the latest available version of the browser. And that's all there is to it. Checking for updates only takes a few seconds and helps keep your browser secure and running smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more Vivaldi tips and quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.